Charlie's come awfully close over the last 6 weeks.
Entering the week, Charley Hoffman began the final round in 4 of his last 5 stroke play events in the top 10, with no wins to show for it.
He's been struggling on the weekends. See if he can fight through it today.
But that changed Sunday in San Antonio, where he outperformed his final round scoring average by more than 5 strokes to capture his 4th career PGA Tour win.
After coming so close so often, he will register a win here at the Valero Texas Open.
That clutch birdie was one of many for Hoffman on the par 5s, where he was 9 under par total, 9 shots better than the field average.
I love the way your body feels when you're in contention, the way you react and be able to maintain composure, and I haven't been able to. It's been tough, and to be able to go through that period in the last month and a half and be able to close the door like I did, it's a very good, gratifying feeling.